Congratulations.
I got my food. Oh my gosh, I think this is the first time that I'm sharing this. Wow! What's up, guys? It's another day. Just got an email from our thesis coordinator. I am cleared and approved to proceed with my thesis 2. Basically, this term, I just worked on my thesis proposal and finishing my internship hours. That means na I'm just gonna be working on the final paper next term, and i-defend ko na lang yun, I think by March, and then I'll be done by April. So grabe, sobrang bilis. My mood just got better because I received this email. So yay! So yeah, I'll just work here kasi I'm just gonna be editing a few videos for my internship. I've been loving Earl Grey tea ever since I got this from my sister. I also love drinking green tea in the morning. I think you guys know that already. But I tried Earl Grey this morning and surprisingly, I also like it. Guys, I'm so happy kasi natapos ko na to, or parang na-fill-upan ko na lahat ng pages sa notebook na to. I remember I bought this on campus, and yun yung time na sasubmit pa lang ako ng requirements ko for the internship. So, grabe, sobrang bilis. Natapos ko na tong notebook na to. I'm almost done with my internship. I'm going to list down all the things that I need to accomplish today. Guys, na-discover ko na mas nag-work sa akin kapag sinusulat ko yung to-do list ko every morning. I don't know, let me know in the comments if ganun din kayo or mas prefer nyo i-planning day nyo before you sleep. Because I also know some people do that. I used to do that because I feel like right after I wake up, my mind is less cluttered. So, mas no-organize ko yung thoughts ko. Let's start with this one. Liwanag. If you guys don't know, my birthday is coming up in just a few days. So, Spark It sent me something for my birthday. I can't believe na I'm turning 22 in just a few days. Feeling ko 18 pa rin talaga ako, guys. Dear Nicole, we wish you all the best this year. May you continue to be gifted with life's biggest joys and never-ending bliss. Happy birthday from Team Spark It. They got me something from Kate Spade. It's pink. It's giving Glinda. Wow! Cute Kate Spade wallet. I love that it's just muted pink. Thank you so much. Feel so loved. And this is from Lancome naman. They sent me the Idol perfume. Guys, every time I use this perfume, kasi meron na to si ate, like the full size one. Ginamit ko yun ng birthday ko last year. And then I got so many compliments. Kahit sobrang layo ko, sabi na amoy daw yung perfume ko. So it's this one. It's from Lancome. So I can put this in a bag ko. They also sent me famous Lancome Genifique serum. And what's this? Water Glow Color Balm. Yay! Thank you so much, Lancome, for sending this over. From Estee Lauder naman. This is a lipstick set for the holidays. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how cute. So cute ng packaging. Look at the details, guys. Like, there's a ribbon sa taas. The last one for now is this one from BYS. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Kasi hindi ko alam na may dadating na ganito. BYS Iconic. What is this? Wait. Pressed powders. Oh yeah, I saw this on TikTok. BYS Compact Powders. I got 3 shades. Okay, that's all for now. I'm gonna go back sa room ko and do some work. I'm going to LaSalle today kasi merong animo concert. Sabi ko kasi last Christmas ko na to as a student. Sobrang tagal na rin yung last visit ko guys sa campus. So, I'm excited to try the booths and meet with some friends. So, ayun. Wait, ayan na, may nag-accept na. It's here. This is our favorite. Got my food. I got Wagyu for lunch.
Hindi, alam ko na. Huwag natin sayangin yun.
Ano?
Papa-double check ko na lang dito sa kapatid mo yung ano.
Oh,
Swerte nyo. Congratulations.
We're done eating. We're gonna get drinks now.
Yeah.
Or dessert.
Yeah.
Kasi ang daming options, guys. So, I think I'm gonna get the
Mochi or the
matcha or mochi. Hey there.
One matcha latte na Shizuoka.
Or banana matcha, banana matcha, banana milk.
Welcome to my humble home.
Chris TV.
Ayan, nakakapalitan tayo mga mochi.
Let's go!
Okay, welcome to my vlog, y'all.
I'm done taking a shower. I feel so clean. I did an everything shower routine. I saw it on TikTok lang, yung everything shower routine. It's basically doing your full shower routine, like your shampoo, conditioner, all the treatments, scrubs, ganon. So I did that kasi it's a self-care day for me today. Since malapit na yung birthday ko, sabi ko, today's a self-care day. Yun, I did a full shower routine. I'm gonna get my nails done later. Actually, tip ko yun sa inyo guys. Like, plot the days a week nyo and just do your full shower routine. I swear you'll feel good after. Kasi as in parang spa day mo lang, ganun. Pero sa bahay lang. You guys wanna know kung ano yung mga products na ginamit ko? Do I feel like, alam nyo na, kung nanonood kayo ng vlogs. For the hair, alam nyo na. But for the body, guys, I've been loving the Dove Serum Bar. It's actually right there. Pero I feel like, though I have stocks here, I love that serum bar as in. Okay, I have one here. Ta-da! This is the Dove Radiant Care Serum Bar. Specifically, this orange variant. Guys, as in, I'm not being OA. I'll show you. This is my first time kasi trying a serum bar or any bar in general na merong niacinamide. So, I really thought na when you say niacinamide, it's just for skincare, diba? For the face lang, ganun. But, guys, this has niacinamide. And as we all know, when you say niacinamide, diba, it's for dark marks, if you want to get even-toned skin, you use niacinamide, diba? It also has vitamin C and E. Yeah, I've been loving this, kaya meron na akong backup. Just in case maubos yung sa akin. Kasi guys, yun din ang tip ko sa inyo. You really have to use this regularly para talaga makita nyo yung effects. Kasi for me, hindi ko naman to like once a week lang ginagamit. I use this every day, sometimes twice a day pa nga if gusto ko maligo ng gabi. This is not just for cleansing it. This is actually dual infused with advanced ingredients. So it's also like skincare. Over time, your skin will look radiant, healthy looking, and even toned. Because yung discipline na yun, it will really help you in the long run. Actually, that applies naman, hindi lang sa products, but also like in terms of working out, being mindful of what you eat, diba? You really have to be consistent. But ako nagiging podcast bigla. I was listening to a podcast kasi kanina, so about self-care. Okay, let's go to my room now para makapag-change and also dry my hair kasi I really need to leave like in about an hour para hindi ako ma-traffic. Formal. I think I'm just gonna keep my pants on and then I'm just gonna wear this top. How about this one? Honestly, kung saan na lang ako comfortable, so I'm just gonna wear this. Kahit hindi sila match. Kasi linen to and this is like ribbed. But like, who cares, you know? Joke lang, I think plain white na lang. I think okay na to. Bag options. I feel like this is cute, no? This one. Okay, this is better compared to this. Just a few finishing touches. Almost forgot to apply my deo. guys. First time ko pa to. Oh my gosh, I think this is the first time that I'm sharing this. Like, first time i-share ko ng Dio na ginagamit ko. It's also from Dove. It's the Dove Radiant Care Dio Serum. It's the same variant as my Dove bar. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina kasi yung variant na orange. If you have problems talaga with dark marks, yung orange variant yung perfect sa inyo. Kahit before guys, Dove na yung Dio ko. I think I have this. And no, itong unscented ones. I love Dove. I only trust Dove when it comes to my Dios kasi yun na yung nag-work for me ever since. So, diba, ba't pa ako mag-explore? But now, I prefer this kasi nga this has niacinamide. So, it will really help when it comes to dark spots, dark marks, uneven skin tone. This is the texture. It's very creamy. But what I like about it is fast drying siya. So, hindi kayo mag-worry na kung kailangan nyo pa ba patuyuin after. It dries super fast. Choice nyo naman actually if gusto nyo siya i-apply using your hands or diretso nyo na. So, I usually just diretso it. Just diretso it. So, I just apply it like that and then I just spread it around. Before, hindi naman super ganito kaputi yung underarms ko as in. You really have to use this then regularly. Plus, this has vitamin C and E. So, if you're worried about uneven skin on your underarms, I highly recommend this. I'll try to leave a link below para you guys can check out this one. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. I'm so excited to take myself out on a date. Okay, mag-book na ako ng Grab, guys. Hold on. Okay, so I just arrived here in Westgate. By the way, nagpalit ako ng bag, guys. I'm using my non-static tote right now kasi dala ko tong big camera ko. So, kailangan ko yung malaking bag talaga if dala ko tong camera to. But anyway, I got my food. I got pasta. And after this, siya ka na ako magpapanails. So, yan. I'll eat na. Taking that color 113. I'm done with my nails. Grocery shopping with the family today.
Where are they?
Need to make aglio olio.
Should we get extra virgin or pure?
For pasta, pure.
Yeah. Smaller than
Yeah, it's for us. Now let's look for pasta. No, usually for aglio olio it's thin ones. I found the chupani. Yeah, I got this one. You want
strawberry.
Oh, you don't want strawberry.
Got my rice.
Oatmeal.